Welcome to One Slide SAP YouTube channel. In this channel, we are going to discuss about the interview questions in SAP Sales and Distribution in more detail. Let us go to the question here. How is route determined in sales order line item under shipping tab? Route is determined from country and departure zone of shipping point. The transaction code to view the country and departure zone of shipping point is EC21. Second point, country and destination zone of ship to party, transaction code is BP. In BP, we can able to view the sold to party, ship to party, vendor, customer, contact person. Those informations can be viewed in transaction code BP. Third point here is shipping condition from customer master, sold to party, and the same transaction code can be used to view the shipping condition in the customer master, sold to party, or else we can check the shipping condition in the sales document type. And the fourth point here is transportation group from material master, sales general plan tab. As we all know that the transaction code to view the material master is MM03. Go to sales general plan tab. Under that you can able to see the transportation group, right? The fifth point here is weight group if required. Okay, if this specific point is mainly used in the delivery. Before this weight group, first in the delivery type, the route redetermination should be assigned to the specific delivery type. After that, the configuration here is go to OVS8 and define a weight group and then assign the weight group to a specific total weights. So whenever a delivery is created, if it matches with the total weight, then definitely based on the weight group, route will be determined. Right. So this is the answer should be given clearly for route determination. And below is the key point for maintaining the route determination. The transaction code is 0VRF, and to define the route and route stages, it is 0VTC. Okay, let us see this clearly in the SAP screen. In SAP, as per the first point, go to transaction EC21 and press enter. This is the place where shipping point is configured, that is defined. So inside the shipping point, if you know the shipping point, double click the shipping point and check what is the country and departure zone maintained for the shipping point. So system will check the RO, the country is RO and the departure zone is 2. Right. Now we will see the in detail in the sale order. Go to VA03, pass the sale order number and then check in the line item shipping tab. You can able to see the route. Route is determined for this shipping point. So we checked the shipping point 2810. Inside the shipping point, you can see the country and the departure zone. So the country is RO and the departure zone is 2. Now we have to check the second point. For checking the second point, you can see country and destination zone of customer master ship to party. Where do we have to check? We have to check it in the business partner. Go to environment, partner, ship to party. So the country and destination zone will be there in the ship to party screen in the general view. Here you can see the country of the ship to party is RO and the transportation zone is 2. Yes, now the second point got completed. Now we will see the third point. For the third point, shipping condition from customer master sold to party. So we have to check the sold to party. Go to environment, partner, display sold to party. Inside the sold to party, we have to check the shipping condition. So go to sales and distribution. In sales and distribution under shipping tab, you can able to see the shipping condition. The shipping condition is 01, right? As per the fourth point, transportation group for material master sales general plan tab. Transaction code is MM03. So from here we can check the material. Go to environment, display material. In display material, you have to choose the sales general plant. Under sales general plant, you'll be having the transportation group, right? Now, system has identified all the details related to determine the route. So, where do we check the route determination? Maintain route determination is in the transaction code 0VRF. So, pass the transaction code 0VRF. Here, the country of departure zone, country of country of shipping point is RO. So here I'll choose, we will go to RO country, right? So here you can see we have two RO country of departure, and the departure zone is 2, and the destination country is RO, ship to party, from ship to party, and the receiving zone is 1. The first one does not match with the value which we have earlier. The second one, if you check, it comes with RO, the departure country, and the departure zone is 2, and the destination country here is RO again, and the receiving zone is 2, right? So this matches with the second one. So I will select this, and then I will choose route determination without weight group. So inside this, you can notice we have 01 shipping condition, 02 shipping condition, 03, 04. But what we notice in the sale order, it is 01. So for this 01, and what we notice in the MM03 material master sales general plant transportation group is 0001. So when this value matches, system will automatically determine the route. This is the proposed route maintained here in the configuration level, right? This is how the route is determined in the sales order line item. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my One Slide SAP YouTube channel. Bye.